Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video. Here to talk about what do you think play better in your system. Between, bass boosted, regular music, what do you like to play? We see a lot of people playing, bass boosted music in their system. I do it too here and there, but 100 about at least 95% of the time, or I can say probably about 98% of the time. Let's go 99% of the time that I'm listening to regular music. Like I probably do a bass boosted song on a YouTube video, because probably some of those are safe from copyrights, but we can check it out. And I just want to let you guys know that, for those who don't know or who don't know much, and if you got questions for car audio, join the Facebook group. I'm gonna have a link, below, the link in the bottom of the description. Check it out, man. Like, I'm trying to get us all to, saying this, bond together and be in the group, be able to answer questions. We do have like, group experts too that are straight professionals, so they can answer your questions as well as I, and whoever, has the answer in the group, I appreciate it. And also I want y'all to, show y'all setups. A lot of y'all that have showed y'all setups already on the Facebook group, DIY Gang, I thank you very, very much for that. I appreciate everything, man. I'm just that type of person, I appreciate a lot of stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out some stuff. Let's go ahead and check it out. And another thing, I had to remove this off my window. It was the only thing that was off my rearview mirror, so I guess it broke. Can we get a good focus of it? Yep. I guess it was the only thing that broke, so far, due to the bass in the car. So that's the only thing that I noticed that broke so far doing bass. And there it is right there. We had to remove it, man. It just wasn't sticking up there. I don't know what was it using. Like that little part right there, that's what broke off. So it was just hanging up there and it was just making a lot of bad noise. So now it sounds 10 times better. I mean, just removing that thing made it sound 10 times better. Let's see. We're gonna find something. We're gonna stay in the car. It's too cold outside. I know you guys want to see some body flex, but we'll get some body flex though in the car all dirty. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see. All right. It's a bass booster song.
So long. Monopoly. That's the company.
I reloaded, motherfucker. Get it on the floor.
Yeah, we ain't gonna play the whole song on that one, but like that song itself Let's see, it's doing 38, 30, and 28 hertz. Yeah, and it's gonna catch the 28 hertz with the DS18s all day with no problem. But let's see what we can find. Hold on. Let's we'll go with this one right here. Let's see how this one sound. You know what? Hold on. We'll pause. All right, we got some. These are things. I'm not gonna play the whole song, so let's just check it out. This is something that's not bass boosted. Okay, let's check it out. That, hey, I mean, man, that goes hard, man. I mean, do I know a little bit more difference with the bass boost music? Just a little bit. And that's only when I play it, for doing, video purposes. But just riding around in the car every day, I'm listening to music like, you just heard. I need to be hearing words. I don't want to hear no music just guys just, moving slow. So, All right, we back. Yeah, I hope you guys liked it that too, man. Both of them went hard, but what I'd rather do, I'd rather do my, my everyday regular music. Do any of you guys play bass boosted music while you riding? That's my question too, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio and wants to learn car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.